New 2022 Ford grows rugged SUV lineup with new Ford Explorer Timberline, most off-road capable Explorer ever. Off-road credibility. For Explorer Timberline, its ability to handle off-road terrain starts with Ford's standard intelligent four-wheel drive. This system automatically adjusts torque between the wheels based on conditions and driver inputs to deliver the best traction, providing preemptive torque before wheel slip occurs. A new addition for Explorer Timberline is a Torsen-registered trademark limited slip rear differential, which automatically sends torque to the wheel with the best traction and prevents the other wheel from spinning to help keep the vehicle moving. A standard terrain management system features 7 drive modes, including trail and deep snow/sand, that drivers can opt for based on road or trail conditions. Standard hill descent control allows the Explorer Timberline to maintain a constant speed between 2 and 12 mph, enabling drivers to focus on steering down uneven descents. Explorer Timberline delivers on capability in the form of its standard steel skid plates. The underbody protection starts underneath the front, continues under the engine and transmission and through the rear, all to help protect key components and give customers more confidence while off-roading. Steering calibration, stabilizer bars and springs are specially tuned for Timberline, including an exclusive front rebound spring that helps prevent sudden jarring off-road. Explorer Timberline raises the ride height 0.8 inch, thanks to a combination of more robust, off-road capable heavy-duty shocks originally developed for Explorer Police Interceptor and high sidewall Bridgestone Dweller P265/65 R18 all-terrain tires with a tread pattern that balances off-road traction and on-road quietness. This, along with unique front and rear fascias, results in an approach angle of 23.5 degrees and maximum departure angle of 23.7 degrees, plus minimum ground clearance of 8.7 inches for navigating unpaved roads and uneven trails. Engine. New Ford Explorer 2022 Explorer Timberline features a 2.3-liter EcoBoost registered trademark engine producing 300 horsepower and 310 pounds-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. For customers who need to tow RVs, ATVs and boats to their adventures, the standard Class 3 trailer tow package brings 5,300 pounds of towing capability. Bolder, more capable appearance. Ford Explorer Explorer Timberline launches in a new forged green metallic exterior color. All models feature blackout treatment around the headlamps and taillamps and a black Ford oval, along with Timberline badges on the C-pillars and liftgate. A set of red amber tow hooks at the front are rated at 150% gross vehicle weight. Bridgestone Dweller P265/65 R18 all-terrain tires surround high-gloss painted aluminum wheels that feature laser-etched Timberline logo. Timberline includes LED fog lamps for illuminating on and off-road trail edges at night. The dark carbonized gray grille has provisions already incorporated, along with a wiring harness for dealer-installed Ford Performance auxiliary lights with an output of 160,000 candelas to illuminate nighttime trails, which equates to 2.5 times the brightness of the Explorer Timberline high-beam headlamps. A deep cypress interior trim color complements Explorer Timberline's exterior, with an ebony headliner, overhead console, A, B and C pillar trim, grab handles, visors and moonroof shade. The cabin features a stone mesh instrument panel applique, distinctive satin silver twilight on the center stack, steering wheel bezel and door armrest trim. Deep cypress door trim panel inserts, deep tangerine stitching on the seats, steering wheel and door trim, plus Timberline logos on the front seats. Timberline includes features that help protect the cabin and enhance the ownership experience. Standard rubber floor liners help keep carpet clean during off-road adventures, while Active X seat trim with cloth inserts is easy to wipe clean and helps prevent occupants from sliding in the seat over rough terrain. Heated front seats, plus a heated, leather-wrapped steering wheel bring added cold weather comfort. Timberline boasts standard Copilot 360 and Copilot 360 Assist technology features that include intelligent adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go and speed sign recognition, lane centering, evasive steering assist and voice-activated touchscreen navigation. A standard 360-degree camera provides a view of obstacles around the vehicle, while a front camera offers a view that's useful when cresting a hill off-road. Customize for your adventure. No matter what the adventure, Ford offers 3 Outfitters packages: Outfitters Skybox, Outfitters Mega Warrior and Outfitters Front Loader. All 3 packages combine all-weather floor mats, crossbars and the selected Yakima rooftop accessories for customers to take even more equipment with them on their next adventure. The 2022 Ford Explorer Timberline is available to order now and arrives at Ford dealers this summer.